Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Before Banking Awareness. Today it's our lesson number 8 and in this lesson we are going to study about different types of computers. Computers are mainly categorized on the basis of two principles. That is, first one will be types of computers based on the principle of functions or operations, and next one will be types of computers based on their size and configuration. First, we will study about types of computers based on their principle of functions or operation. In this, there are three types of computer. First one is analog computer. Analog computer work on basis of continuous values, and digital computers works on the principle of discrete values. In hybrid computers, there is a combination of continuous values and discrete value. That is why they are called as hybrid computers. In digital computer, we can say them as digital computers are general purpose computers. That is, they store and perform different programs in internal memory. We can call them as also special purpose computers or dedicated computers. ATM is an example of digital computers, or other examples are general purpose and special purpose computers. In hybrid computers, there is combination of digital computers and analog computers, and they are used in hospitals and ICUs. Analog computers recognizes data as continuous measurement of physical property. Analog computer uses continuous physical phenomena such as electrical, mechanical or hydraulic quantities to model the problem being solved. Analog computers are mainly job-oriented computers. In this computer, speed is higher than digital computer, but they gives accuracy less than 99%. Analog computer stores less data as compared to digital computers. Yellow points given in this slide are very important and question can be asked in the exam from these points. Here is a picture of analog computer. Then hybrid computers. It is a combination of analog computer and digital computer. Hybrid computers are capable of inputting and outputting in both digital and analog signals. Here it is an example of hybrid computer. Here I have made a chart for the types of computer based on the principle of size and configuration. There are mainly four types based on size and configuration of computers, and all these computers are digital computers. First one is microcomputer. These are very small, low cost and single user computers. They are used as server or client or PC. Microcomputers are divided into different types such as netbook. Netbook having size less than 30 inches, and they are basically made for the use of internet. For example, iPad. The next type is desktop or PC. These are the third generation computer. Then next type is laptop. These are greater than 13-inch computers, or laptop also called as computer or notebook. Next type is handheld computer. Their size varies from 8 inch to 10 inches. Handheld computers are also divided into different types such as PDS, that is personal digital assistance, or we can say it as digital diary. PDS are from 90s to 2000 and stylus were used in these PDAs. BlackBerry mobiles or sliding phone of Nokia and Samsung were PDAs. Next type is tablets and smartphones, calculators, gaming console, navigation system of a car and smartphone. Next type of these computers is mainframe computer. They are used as a server. They are expensive, very high speed computer used in railways, banks and airlines. Focus of mainframe computer, or we can say it as priority of mainframe computer, is mainly on data processing and then speed. It is a very important point that in mainframe computer focus is mainly on data processing then its speed. They are used in centralized database management system. For example, CDC 6600 and IBM ES 8000 series is an example of mainframe computer. Then next type is supercomputer. They are an advanced and most expensive computer used for intensive numerical computations such as weather forecasting, stock market analysis. Focus of supercomputer is mainly on the speed rather than data processing. It is also very important point because there is a differentiation between mainframe and supercomputer. In mainframe, focus is on data processing then speed, and in supercomputer the first priority is for speed and then data processing. Speed of supercomputer is measured in flops, that is floating point operations per second. Supercomputers are built by interconnecting thousands of processors that can work in parallel. Then next type of computer is mini computer. They are used as a server. They are multi-user computer with less speed and high storage capacity. They support 4 to 200 users simultaneously. They are used in real-time application industries. They are high processing speed computers. They are multi-user or one server computers. For example, PDP-11 and IBM 8000 series is an example of mini computer. For example, call center and just dial are the examples of mini computers. It is a very important chart and you have to remember it time to time. Here are some examples or pictures of microcomputers. It is a netbook that is specially used for the use of internet. It is PDA. We have seen this type of mobile phones used as PDAs. It is a desktop. All these are handheld computers. Here are various type of handheld computers. It is a mainframe computer. It is a supercomputer. Let's have a look at this supercomputer. Here it is a screen. It is a mini computer. Laptops were first introduced in 1981 and they were designed by Adam Osborne. Laptop company who introduced firstly laptop were Epson. It is a very important point. The question can be come from this point. Personal computers are single-user computer. They are having moderately powerful microprocessor. They are also known as desktop computer. Mini computers are multi-user computers. They are capable of supporting hundreds of users simultaneously. Software technology in different from mini computer. In supercomputers, they are extremely fast computers, an advanced and most expensive computer used in intensive numerical computations. For example, supercomputers were used in weather forecasting, stock market analysis. Speed of supercomputer is GFLOPS, that is giga floating point operations per seconds. Here are the some important points. Desktop were first introduced by IBM in third generation. Laptop or notebook are having size greater than netbooks. Palm top is having greater size than handheld computers. Handheld computers were designed by Jeff Hawkins and they are divided into personal digital assistants and tablets. PCs are single user computer. Workstations are single user. They are similar to PC but having more powerful processor or microprocessor. Mini computer or mainframe computers are multi-user computer. Hybrid computers are mainly used for specialized tasks. It is mostly used for automatic operations of complicated physical processors and machines. Handheld computers are also called as PDAs or palm tops. Mini computers are also called as mid-range computer or workstations. Hybrid computers have speed of analog computer and storage capacity of digital computers. Palm top also called as pure computers. These points are very important points and question can be asked from these points. Wearable computers are smartwatches and fabric PC. PDAs usually use flash memory for storage instead of hard drive. For example, we insert a memory card into our PDAs or we can say them as our mobiles. Here it is end of today's lesson. In next lesson we will study about architecture of computer. Remember all these points time to time. Keep studying. Goodbye.